Hello. So today let's understand about some text functions in Excel. So as I have listed below, today we will learn about few functions in Excel, that is left, right, substitute and concate, right? And one special character, that is concatenating character. So let's understand with with an exercise that I have prepared. So this is the data that we have, and here are some questions that we have. So as you can see, some data is present with us about some US elections. So for different years we have election day years, we have the vote percentage, and we have the president's name. But as you can see here, president's name is with some errors and some noise, so we will remove that. So first let's start with the question. So first we have that question one says capture the year for the election column, right? So what here we have is, as you can see, we have written along with the year the word election. So we want to remove that. So how can we do that? So here here the text function left is used. So how left works? Let's see. So we will write left. We will open the parenthesis. So as it says, we want to see which text we want to get, right. So it will take the leftmost characters of that text, right? So here is the we have taken the text. Now we want to mention how many number of characters we want to get. So we want to get, as we know, 4 characters. So we will press 4 and we will close the bracket and hit enter. So now as you can see, we have got all the characters of the year, and we now have the year of the column next to the elections, right? So I will just double click here, so I will get the election years for each and every cell that we need, right? Now let's see what if I do not type anything in the left. If I do not type anything, as you can see, because here this is in square bracket, it means that it is exceptional, optional. So we can or we cannot mention that. So if I do not type anything here, it will take only the first character of the text that we have mentioned, right? So I will not do that. Now let's go to the second question. So we want to get rid of all the star marks in the name that are present, right? So what we can do here? So here is a function of Excel that comes into action, is substitute. So what substitute does is, as the name suggests, it substitutes the text that we want to remove, right? So here, as you can see here, we want to remove star mark. So here we will mention the old text. That old text is star mark. So it will come in double brackets, and we will hit the new text that we need. So we want to replace it with nothing. So in the two square braces, we will type nothing and we will close the bracket and hit enter. So as you can see, our cleaned president names are is now available. I will just double click, so it will replace the same formula in each and every cell. Now one thing that we forgot is the right function. So what right function does is, right is similar to left function. It takes the number of characters from the right side of the text, right? Now let's go to the third question that says create a sentence that looks like that is given here, right? So here this can be done with two methods. First is the concat function, and other is the concatenating character. So here we will do with the concat function, and I will give you an example how we can use that concatenating character and that is so, right? So first let's solve this question 3. So we will type concat, and then here, as you can see, we just have to type the text that we want to print together in the concat, and it will print the whole text as we need. So here we want the president's name first, so I will select this text. Then I want to get won the, right? So I will have to type the spaces, because as you can see here, the spaces are there between the president's name and won and everything. So I will type space won the space, close the bracket. Then I will type the third character, that is the year, so it will come here. Then I will press comma. Then the fourth character is, we have to type election with space, and the percentage I will get, okay, I by mistake forgot to put the comma. I will put the percentage again. I will go for of the regular vote, and I will close this. And as I will hit enter, as you can see, the same thing that we need for as required is obtained. So here just I will double click and I will fill all of them. Now let's see how that concatenating character and works. So here just I have to type equal to, suppose I want to merge my name, that is Mayank, and I want to get the surname as well. So I will, and I need a space, so I will print a space here. I will go for and again, and I will type 4. So as you can see, the whole name is printed all together. Thank you. I hope you were able to understand.